Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily edit invoice in Zoho Books. So all you have to do is head over to books.zoho.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Sales, then click on Invoices. From the list of invoices, select the specific invoice that you want to edit, then click on the Edit button. So if you want to make changes in this specific invoice, you can do it here just by clicking on the details or the fields and entering new details to this invoice. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!